Hello students, this is SP Singh, PGT English from KV Bansagar. I'm again with you with a chapter from your Vistas. This is the first chapter of your Vistas, the third level, written by Jack Finney. Let me discuss the theme. Actually, the story is a time travel. There is an intersection of time and space in the story, and that makes the story a bit complicated for the students to understand. I'll try to explain each and every aspect of the story in a very simple language. Let me begin with the theme first. See, the story has a theme of the problems of the modern life. See, the modern life is full of stress, a lot of problems, a lot of fears, sense of insecurity, fear of wars, all these things. And what does a man try to do? When he's fed up of all these challenges, all these difficulties of the life, he tries to find a refuge, a shelter. And this shelter, this refuge, actually escaping from the reality. He tries to run away from all those problems. See, everybody faces all these problems. We too. What do? Simple. We try to play games, or you would like to watch a movie, or you would go for one of your hobbies. But here, our protagonist, his name is Charlie. Instead of doing all these things, he makes a strange escape. And see, what is that one? He takes an obvious step onto the third level of Grand Central Railway Station. See the third level. It's Grand Central Railway Station of New York. It had two levels only, first level and the second level. He had the intention to go to the second level from he was going to take a suburban train. But while going to the second level, he happens to suddenly, very surprisingly, he happens to reach the third level of that one, which did not exist at all. Everybody agreed, everybody said that third level of the Grand Central Railway Station did not exist. Then why this happened with Charlie? The question arises, did the third level exist? Did Charlie really reach there? Or it was Charlie's imagination, he was trying to escape from the reality. So that is the question. This is the theme. We will discuss what exactly happened with Charlie. His visit to the third level was a reality or not. All these things will be discussed in the course of the story. Fine, let me begin this one. See, the first page is open on the screen. You can see Charlie is the narrator of the stories, sharing with us what people thought about the third level. See that the president of the New York Central and the New York Haven, these were the presidents of different railroads, you can say. Fine, what was their opinion about how many levels the Grand Central Railway had? So they could say, they swear, only two. Grand Central Railway, they could swear, seeing the timetables and everything, right? Only two levels were there. But yet Charlie, he's sharing a reality with us that I have been on the third level of Grand Central, taken the obvious step. Surprising. How could he reach the third level, which according to these people did not exist at all? Well, if this kind of experience happens with someone, if he says I have seen or I have visited a place which according to other people does not exist at all, then he had to visit his psychiatrist friend. Fine. He tells him, I told him everything. I visited the third level. You can see the third level at Grand Central Station. What is his opinion? See, what did his psychiatrist friend say? Waking dream wish fulfillment. Now see, what is this waking dream wish fulfillment? Right, Charlie, it is purely your imagination. Probably you might have a dream, right, to visit this place, and kind of experience your dream is fulfilled, but it cannot happen in reality. तुमने जागती आंखों से एक सपना सा देख लिया. And according to the psychiatrist, he said, Charlie, you are unhappy. Unhappy, probably, Charlie, you have some problem. What does Charlie's wife think? Charlie's wife think probably my husband has gone mad. Wife thought he kind of mad. Okay, but the psychiatrist friend, no, your husband is not actually has gone mad. See that one? What is the problem? See, now here the theme of the story has been worked out by the psychiatrist friend. What is it? The modern life is full of insecurity. Modern life is full of fear, war, worries, a lot of problems. What do the people try to do? They try to, when they cannot face these realities of the life, they try to run away from them. And probably, how do they run away? They try to escape, and probably your husband also wanted to escape and he has done it. Right? And so in his dream, probably he has imagined that he has visited the third level, which does not exist at all, of the Grand Central Railway Station. Fine. So, now Charlie's opinion, what is it? What is it? I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? सब लोग रियलिटी से escape करना चाहते हैं. Everybody wants to escape, right? But nobody, okay, they may watch a movie, they may play games, they may read something, but nobody goes down to the third level of the Grand Central Station. Here Charlie wants to point out that it is not my imagination, it really happened with me. It's not my waking dream wish fulfillment. It's not my escape from the reality. But he said, his psychiatrist friend, see, that's the reason. It's exactly what has happened with Charlie. My friends also agreed. They are giving the example. See, they claim, Charlie, your stamp collecting hobby. See, it is also a temporary refuse from reality. Refuse means, okay, shelter, escape, temporary escape from the reality. Just as you do it, stamp collecting is a temporary escape from the reality. Probably this visiting the third level is something like that one. Now Charlie is making argument. Well, maybe, but see, my grandfather also, right? He also did things were pretty nice and peaceful. He also did this one stamp collecting. Actually, Charlie has got this hobby of stamp collecting from his grandfather. Grandfather handed over his collection only, right one. But at that time, you cannot say his grandfather in past, he also wanted temporary refuge from reality, and that's why he started doing this. No, not at all. His time was very peaceful, very calm. He did not need it. So Charlie disagrees with everyone that it is a temporary refuge from reality. And now Charlie is describing his grandfather's collection. This is his collection also. It has first day covers. Every US issue is giving example. President Roosevelt also is collected stamps. Fine. Now you're on to the second page here. And now Charlie is describing how it happened. Charlie still believes it really happened with him. He visited the third level, right? How of the Grand Central Railway Station? How happened? One night, Charlie is ready to come back from his office. He's in a hurry, right? I was in a hurry to get uptown. Uptown is the outskirts of the town where his apartment is existing, right? And he decided to take the subway. Actually, subway is the underpass, but here subway is the subway train, kind of metro train. It's faster than the buses, and that's why he decided to take the subway train from the Grand Central. Fine. Okay, now in the next third paragraph of this page, see what is happening. Charlie is ready to share with us why this happened with me. I'm an ordinary person, ordinary guy. My name is Charlie. Why this strange thing happened with me? I'm 31-year-old. He wants to emphasize here that I'm as ordinary as any other American. I am wearing a tan gabardine. Tan is the color, dark tan. Shoe polish, I hope you remember. Gabardine is a cloth material. Okay, so I'm as ordinary as any other American. My dress and everything. I wear a hat with a fancy headband. So many people looked like me. I looked like them. I passed a dozen men. So, but I wasn't trying to escape from anything, any reality. So why it happened? I was simply trying to go back to my home, to my wife Louisa. Why this strange thing happened with me, right? So we will stop in this video, fine, and discuss the story further.